How's it going, everybody? Mr. Allen here with some transformations of exponential functions. First part, we're going to describe the transformations from this parent function, 3 to the x, and then we're going to write a new function given some transformations, but we're going to have f of x equals 5 to the x. Cool. Different functions. This is dope. That's dope. First one here, we got g of x equals negative 3 to the x minus 1. That negative is occurring outside of the function, so it's a vertical transformation, a reflection. So if you're reflecting vertically, what axis are we going over? I'm going over the x-axis. So we could say reflect over x-axis. Okay, that's number one. And then the next one there, the minus 1. That's on the inside. When we add and subtract, that's left-right movement. We got to think opposite, so we're going to the right one. Boom, done. First one's over. Easy. Piece of cake. All right. Next one, h of x. We got 3 to the x plus 2, and then plus 7 outside. So on the inside there, plus 2, that's going to be going to the left 2, and then the plus 7 on the outside, that's going to be going up 7. No matter what function you're dealing with, the transformations still occur in the same way. If it's in the function, it's horizontal. If it's outside the function, and we're saying outside or inside the function, since this is exponential, our function is in the exponent. Whereas like absolute value, it's inside the absolute values is where the function is. If it's a quadratic, it's inside the stuff that's getting squared. So there's all sorts of transformations that are going to keep occurring no matter what functions you're dealing with. So get used to these questions. All right. Next one over here. Write the new function with the given transformations from f of x equaling 5 to the x this time. So everything's the same. I mean, we're going the other way with it, but we'll have 5 to the x instead of 3 to the x, okay? That's not a transformation on its own from like 3 to 5. It's just the base of the exponential function. So if we want to reflect over the y-axis, that's a horizontal reflection. My negative should occur in the function. We'll call this one g of x. So it'll be 5 to the negative x, and then up 6 will be plus 6 on the outside. Boom. Last one, we're going to reflect over the x-axis. Remember, that's a vertical reflection, so it should occur outside or in front. Okay, so we're going to have, we'll do h of x for this one, negative 5 to the x. We're going right 7, so we'll subtract 7. It's the opposite for your left-right transformations, and then down 3. There we go, guys. That's it. Transformations, they will keep on coming back, so make sure you understand them or ask... ask some questions on them, all right? So there we go, guys. Hope that helps, and keep mathing.